Right, hopefully that doesn't fall off. Thanks everyone for sticking around. I'm Darragh Hayes, I'm the founder and CEO of LEI Worldwide. Just to set some context, has anybody in here heard of an LEI or does anyone use it? Perfect. So an LEI is a 20-digit alphanumeric code that identifies legal entities on a global basis, much like your global version of a company's house number. It's mandated for use by more than 300 financial regulations globally, making it the most commonly used financial compliance instrument ever. So there's over 2.5 million LEIs in the world. If you've ever applied for an LEI, you'll know that traditionally it can take up to 3 days to get an LEI issued, but the application itself can often take up to half an hour. So what we do at LEI Worldwide is, first of all, we help large financial institutions manage and organize wieldy, fragmented LEI portfolios. We help corporate service providers, financial institutions redistribute LEIs to their clients in an economically viable manner. But most of all, and exceptionally, what we've done is, through our tech, is make it much faster to get and obtain an LEI. So this is actually a live demo. This is the live environment website. And we're going to apply for a real LEI, for a real legal entity in real time. And we're going to see how long it takes us. So I'll try and zoom in one. So register new LEI. I'll just crack on with it in the interest of haste. So the entity we're going to apply for an LEI for is called the Share Republic. And it's a United Kingdom entity. So what we've done here is we've pulled data out of the company's house, and it's produced a set of results that have company names similar to the Share Republic, and our one is right at the top, a company number 079. Okay, so we're going to select this. Now our system ramp, through a blend of APIs and AI, has pre-filled this LEI application. So what we've done is we've replaced previously manual processes. We've removed fields that we've found in the company's house, such as the address, so you don't have to fill those in manually. The only thing we're going to ask for is the company or the name of the authorized signatory, which in this case is Alan Jeffrey Hoodless. It's Jeffrey. So we're going to say this company doesn't have a parent entity, which we're obliged to report, and the legal entity is indeed owned by a private individual, natural person, which is Jeffrey. We're not going to upload a document because we've bypassed that by pulling the data from the company's house. We're going to check the 1-year package for the purpose of the demo, and no, it's not €1. So we're going to accept the terms and conditions and move on. We're now at the checkout page, and our application itself is essentially done. We've integrated Stripe, so at the top we have our billing details, which are flexible, so you can, if you're a fund or a fund administrator or a corporate service provider, you can bill this to your client, or you can bill it to a particular fund within the structure or a particular share class. We've connected to Stripe, and I'm going to request an invoice here to bypass that set, and our trusty COO is in Dublin right now, probably refreshing his screen because I've told him to void the invoice because I don't want to pay the euro. So our application is complete. So essentially now that took us less than 2 minutes. Traditionally that could take you half an hour if you go to some of the older, more legacy LEI providers. I'm hoping this LEI will be issued while I'm still talking. It will be issued within the next 10 minutes, and if you don't believe me, I will post a timestamp on my LinkedIn and Twitter after this demo. So what we've done is we've made it much quicker, and that's just one of the things we do on our platform, and it's what I'm going to focus on for today. Why does this matter to everybody in the room? This is a room full of financial institutions, fintechs, regtechs, and as I said, there's over 300 regulations globally mandating the use of the LEI, so a lot of you have heard of it already. So we have DORA coming in January 2025, the Digital Operational Resilience Act. So what DORA stipulates is that every financial services firm is going to have to create a register of all of its tech providers. That means all the fintechs and all the financial institutions, and they're all going to have to be identified by way of LEI. So luckily for you, you now have a provider who can get it for you in 5 minutes, and moreover, I'm offering a free LEI to everyone in the audience at the moment. So please find me after the demo. I have a QR code on my phone. If you want to claim your free LEI, just scan the QR code and come up and have a chat. Thank you very much.